Before us lies what many believe to be the place of obedience, the hill where the Israelites were circumcised after crossing the Jordan River. And 40 years in the wilderness, God led his people across the Jordan on a dry ground. And here at Gilgal, the Lord said to Joshua, "Make flint knives and circumcise the Israelites again." You can read this on Joshua chapter 5 verse 2. This was not just a physical act, but the covenant renewed. The shame of Egypt was rolled away, and Israel stood once more as a consecrated nation before God. Scripture says, "Today I have rolled away the reproach of Egypt from you." Joshua chapter 5 verse 9. As you look around this place, imagine a generation posing before battle, choosing obedience before victory, holiness before conquest. Here, before Jericho fell, hearts were aligned with God. This place reminds us, before God moves powerfully through us, He first works deeply within us. My name is Benjamin, and welcome to Pinoy Life in Israel, exploring the land of the Bible.